Changing the author name in WordPress is a straightforward process, but it requires a few steps. Here's how you can do it. Change author name via user profile. Log into WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Users. In the left sidebar, go to Users, All Users. Edit User Profile. Find the author whose name you want to change and click Edit under their username. Change display name. In the nickname field, enter the new name you want to display. You can choose to display a different name than the username. Set display name publicly. Scroll down to the display name publicly as drop-down menu and select the new nickname you just entered. Update profile. After making changes, click Update Profile to save. Change author name for posts. If you need to change the author name for existing posts, go to Posts. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Posts, All Posts. Edit a post. Click to edit the post where you want to change the author. Change author. On the right sidebar, you will see an author drop-down. Select the new author. Update post. Click Update to save changes.